Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we are doing a graduation look. Since it is graduation season, I figured why not? Just comment down below what school you guys are graduating from. I'm super curious, and congrats to all of my graduates. Okay, so we're going in with my bare face, as usual. We're starting off with brows, like I always do. This is the Brow Stylist Definer Pencil. This is by L'Oreal, and I use the shade dark brunette, I believe. So I'm going in with whatever sparse areas that need to be filled in. I'm just trying to bless those areas a little bit. And this is my NYX HD concealer in medium with a flat little diviner brush. I'm just carving out those brows because you know my hand ain't steady, so you know you gotta carve after. And now this is a NYX brow pencil in black. I'm just going in with whatever spaces I wanted to critique a little bit, fill in, just to make it how I like. Okay, so there's these three e.l.f. pigments. Unfortunately, they do not come with names. And I'm starting with my transition shade, which is a nude pink. And I'm putting that right all over my lid with a big, fat, fluffy brush. Okay, and this is a darker mauve just to put on my outer V and crease, just to add some dimension to the eye. To look like, you know, like I put effort in, even if you kind of didn't. This is with a smaller fluffy brush as well. And now I was not satisfied with the darkness, so I went in with my Morphe 350, 350, whatever it's called, palette, with a dark brown, as you saw. And now this is a beautiful gold shimmer dust, kind of fairy dust. And I'm putting this all on my lid. I sprayed the flat brush down with water, just so it can stick and really get the full pigment. And now after this, you guys are going to see me try to clean up and just make it look effortless with a fluffy brush to blend it all together. And this is my liquid eyeliner by L'Oreal. It's just a simple little black liquid liner. And it's in black, 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 black. And I have nothing in it. That's why it wasn't wings. So Shorty wasn't flying today. No wings today, boo-boo. I'm putting it right across the lash. Right across. Now I'm going in with my favorite L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Carbon Black. And as you see, like the eyeliner kind of complements the lashes because it gives the illusion that you have fuller lashes on. Or just fuller lashes, point blank, period. And I'm just finessing, you know? It's what you gotta do, especially when you're taking pictures, girl. Okay, so now we're doing our Born to Glow NYX primer. It's illuminated, so we're going to be glowing the whole day. And now our Wet n Wild foundation in beige bronze. I'm putting this all over my face. This is going to be a more full coverage look. I end up putting 2 layers on. You guys will see. And every other dot I'm replacing with highlighter. So when I tell you I like to glow, girl, don't play with me when glowing. And this is a Real Technique sponge. It's basic, just blending it in. Blend, blend, blend. And of course it is wet. Never do this with a dry beauty blender, Lord. Lord, Lord, Lord. And now I'm going with my second layer, and I'm going in with a flat brush just to blend in the foundation to make it look as natural as possible. Being full coverage, right? Okay. And I'm going with my Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Fair Clair. It is Maybelline. And I'm blending it in. What a ghost I turn into. Look at that. Would you look at that? And I'm going in with my NYX contour palette. I'm going in with that darkest shade. This is a liquid contour, so you really got to take time with this and just be careful not to put it on places you shouldn't, because once it's there, it is there. And I'm contouring everything I want to shade a little bit, like my chin, adding more definition right under my lip to make the lip look bigger. While that's sitting there and staining my face, I'm putting my translucent powder by e.l.f. right underneath my eyes. Now I'm blending in that contour with the same flat brush. Now I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is the best bronzer I have ever used in my entire life. And I'm going with a big fluffy brush and just putting it on my cheeks, my forehead, and my double chin. You gotta take care of the turkey neck. I'm going into this blush. It's by the brand Santee. I got this on Shop Miss A, literally $1. I kid you not. I lie to you not. And I'm putting this everywhere because when I put on concealer on my foundation, I be looking like a ghost, so, you know. And this is my Wet n Wild highlight. This is Precious Petals. It is such a good highlight, and it's like $4, so come on, guys. Let's go. Gotta give myself some boogers. And I'm just getting this itty bitty brush. It's just perfect to fit in my inner corner and brow bone. Look at that. Boom, tears. Look at that. Snot, tears. It gives you everything you want. A glowy brow bone. And I'm doing my lower lash line before I forget. How many times I've forgotten? A million times. And I'm like, great, I didn't put on mascara, period. And now this is the NYX Lip Lingerie line. I love the formula in this. This is in Bedtime Flirt. And now this is Transylvania from their original Soft Matte line. Just to mix it, because it was a little too nude for me. And now this is the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I don't know why I called it NYX and not just NYX. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I enjoyed making it. It was super easy, super affordable. You clearly can't take me anywhere. And you see why. My Morphe palette is now my cat. Look at that. Huh. Give it a thumbs up if you guys like what you saw here. And if you guys want to continue to see things like this. Love you guys. Bye.